The prom king is looking for his queen. Show me what you've got.
Come. Whoa. First, your glasses. Everything is blurry now. I found it. Now you can see a future. Oh, nice. My glasses. Now sit. Whoa. Now, let's see. We will start with this magical potion. It's like someone from Slytherin made it. I'm joking, of course. Oh, wow. Feels sticky. This is what Nirvana feels like. Okay, wait a second. Oh, look at this. So many colors. Purple is my favorite. Come to mommy. What did you do? Oh my! Do I look good? It's hair removal cream. I have some eyebrows for you. Does it work like that? You will be surprised with the result. Let's top it. Voila! Take them off! Take them off! Nice! It's Harry's situation! Don't worry, it's some chocolate. Chocolate? Mustache on me? They are blindingly white. Relax, relax, it's all under control. What's next? Maybe lashes. Definitely lashes. Be gentle. It's beautiful, it suits you a lot. I don't see anything. Get that off me. You didn't like them. I have a mascara. Come here. Oh, wow. But it's better with off-white. Glowing queen, yes. Wow! Beautiful, but try that. Oh, I love it. It's nice, but I need to check something. Oh, wow, is that a cocktail? I'm old enough for it, I guess. Look, Sus. Oh, say no more. You can do it, Ginger. I'm going all in. I could use some more, but whatever. Let's do it. Applying it gently feels like I have 3 extra layers of skin. I could have used a bit more. Done. Oh no, she will kill me. Seriously? This will help. Let's do it. How am I supposed to go to the prom like this? She will kill me! Think, Ginger, think. Let me see. Ew, what is that? Polka dot man! Please! No! Why? I'll never be a queen! He'll never like me! Why are you crying? I ruined the dress and have nothing to wear! You little... Actually, don't worry, honey. I have tons of them. Take this. Oh, really? Okay. Better? I think I look very pretty. This is way too flat. Wow! Now it's time for your hair. Your hair is dirty. Let's try dry shampoo. I look like a granny. That's better. Let's use this gadget. What? Oh. Great, now let's remove it. Yay! This is how I unroll. Wow! Wow, it worked. You're almost ready. And the last step, the perfect dress. Wow! It's so beautiful! Hey, now let's see a new version of Ginger. Ta-da!
What?
Ginger! Someone called me. Like damn she in her mood. Like damn she in her mood. She'll get money too. We did it! Whoa!
Ouch!
I'm good. Now, guys, you can go. I'm done here. Ta-da! Yeah. She's so cool! Yeah! Woohoo! Thank you, guys! Breathe, Ginger. Breathe. Ooh.
You can do it!
I can do it. Hey, guys! I'm here to win the prom queen crown. Ginger? Wow! Really? Yeah! You're the queen! Oh my god! Thank you!
She's a real prom queen! Congratulations!
Thanks!
You have to go! I wish Kevin would invite me to a party. I'd love to dance in those arms. Can I come too? Not like that. Oh, I don't have any makeup. I got you covered, Ava. There's not much makeup I don't have. It's makeover time. Yeah? Okay. But I have my own here, see? Ta-da! Oh, there's my brush. Nice, right? It's interesting. I like to use pencils these days. Contouring with it transforms my face, even though it looks weird at first. Forehead's done. Now for the lighter shade. This part is crucial. Kind of looks like face paint, right? And now for the blending portion of our program. See? It worked! Wow! I wanna try! Under the cheekbones, huh? Easy with that thing. Yep, under the eyes. You're a little heavy-handed there. Now I blend, right? Yeah. Whoa. You may have to practice your technique. I think I look fabulous. Shall we? I guess so. I'm running so late! What do I even wear? Almost there. I look decent, right? Oh, come on! Almost there. Phew! Let's go! What's wrong with this? I forgot to grab my keys! I could go get them, but I'll track up the house. So gross. I can't do that. Gross. I guess these things are coming off. Or just one of them anyway. And we're hopping! You're coming with me! Phew! Let's get on out of here! I made it! Wait, my phone! I can't leave without my phone! I'll never get out of here in time. Hey, Annie! You gotta see this! Isn't it hilarious? Ugh. Oh, Annie! Check out this meme! I didn't even finish my coffee yet! Finally! I can be alone in here. And I spoke too soon. A cat on a bike! This is a bathroom! Stay calm. Bye! Hey, Annie! Look at this! Okay, you have my attention. It's hilarious, right? Oh, come on! It's hilarious! If she'd only gotten on the plane! Huh? Man, I hope she's ready to go. Our date was tonight? But this mess! Adam can't see my place like this! Gotta kick this cleaning into overdrive! Almost there! Dust be gone! What's she doing in there? Whoops! Thank goodness I'm having a good hair day. Coming! Hey, Adam. Come on in. I was just sitting waiting for you. Phew. Shall we have a little drink? And talk? Well, I'd better get going now, okay? Oh, thanks for coming by. See you later. Nice place. Oh, that was intense. Back to the couch. I'm back. Let the binging begin. Man, this feels good. Where is she? Oh! She's talking to Adam! I'm going in! Hi, guys!
Oh, your shoe's untied there.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Thanks! Wait! All of my stuff!
That's hilarious!
Oh, man! No way! Please tell me they didn't see that. They're, for a friend. What's the big deal? You're mean. I'll help you, don't worry. Thank you. I get it. Come on, I'm so over this dude.
Wait, we were talking! Bummer.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, I should have worn stretchy pants. Ah, yeah. Ooh, it's Ava! Annie? Hey! My pants! Ugh, it's so good to see you, girl. Hey! Oh my gosh, I have so much to tell you. Where do I start? My stomach's so bloated. Aw, man. Oh! Hold on. Hello? Not now. Whatever. Anyway, I'm not sure how long I can sit here. What? Right now? I'm so sorry. Gotta go. Oh, thank goodness. Phew.
I thought I'd find you here.
And back up they go.
This place has a great history.
Uh-huh. Tell me about it. Oh man, this doesn't feel good.
And well… Oh, I gotta go. See you around.
Am I alone? Yes? Phew. Oh, yeah. Meh. Nah. Yay! Could you relate to any of these situations? What do you usually like to do when faced with challenges like these? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss out.